Hey guys, so look at this, Mr. Beast, Feastable chocolate, all over Canada. Finally, took a while, but see that $3 Canadian, that's about 2.25 US or so. So yeah, Mr. Beast Feastables chocolate bar here in Toronto, Canada. And this is at No Frills, and it's also at the Superstore. So go check it out. Tell me what you think. So today is a big day. I have a surprise for the kids. I'm about to pick them up at school, and we have been wanting to do this for a long time. So today we're finally going to get to try Mr. Beast's chocolate Feastables. So I'm going to pick up the kids. We're going to go to the supermarket. It's finally here at the Superstore. So we're going to go and we're going to get to try Mr. Beast's chocolate today. Okay guys, so we just arrived at the Superstore. Going in to get some Mr. Beast, the real Canadian Superstore. Mr. Beast chocolate bar. PC Express. There we go. So we finally have the Mr. Beast Feastables in Canada. Here we go. Only $3 at the Superstore. Look at that. Mr. Beast. Finally here. In Toronto, Canada. Look at that. Only $3. Mr. Beast Feastables. Okay. Mr. Beast. Yeah. So there's dark chocolate, there's milk chocolate, there is peanut butter, milk crunch, Mr. Beast Feastables. Yay! Okay, Mariah, so we are finally here going to try the Mr. Beast chocolate, the Feastables. Like we've been wanting to do this for a long time now. Mr. Beast is a famous YouTuber that was introduced to us by, who was the one that introduced us, you or Jaden?
Me.
You sure? Yeah. Yeah, so Mr. Beast is actually the most famous YouTuber. And now he's gone into products. So chocolate is one of them, and today we're going to compare it to Cadbury and see if Mr. Beast chocolate is a real deal or if it's a fake. So I have here the milk chocolate. It's called Feastables, Mr. Beast Feastables. I've got the milk chocolate here and the dark chocolate. These are just 4 of the flavors that are available. And I think they have different qualities also. These ones are $3 Canadian. They're like a promotion. So it's like $3 Canadian. I think they have ones that are more expensive. But these are the ones that they're promoting in Canada. So we're going to try them out. Mariah, your flavors?
So right here I have the peanut butter. Looks very delicious. And here I have the milk crunch.
Yeah, so there's a milk crunch and there's like a milk chocolate. And what we're going to do, we're going to compare them with Cadbury. Cadbury is in the same price bracket. So I think because with chocolate, there are different levels of chocolate. They're like exotic, like really expensive, like $30, $40, $50 chocolate, and there are ones like Cadbury and the Feastables. These are in the, we got them for $3 on promotion, $3 Canadian, but they're in the $3 to $5 range. So I think it's fair to, you know, try them against each other because they're in the same category. Let's start with the milk chocolate. So I know I'm being a bit fancy, but I have to use the scissors, you know, just to keep everything neat. Don't judge me. So there we go. And that is what it looks like. You know, this is very thin. I think it's I don't know if all of their, I know there are different qualities as I said, but this seems to be the cheaper one. So yep, so milk chocolate. So Mariah, you know.
Okay, sure.
I'll go ahead and I'll try. You wanna go first?
You want to do cheers and eat at the same time?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's do this. Mmm. Not bad.
It tastes a lot like other chocolates I've had before.
Yeah, it's
Very
good.
creamy. Not bad.
Yeah, it has a rich chocolate taste. It tastes richer than it looks. It looks very.
Yeah, it looks like a cheap one.
Yeah, it almost looks cheap when you look at it like this. It just looks, but it tastes richer than it looks. So we're gonna go with the dark chocolate now.
I've had a lot of dark chocolates in my life before, so I'm gonna be very honest with this one. I've had good I've had good dark chocolates and I've had bad dark chocolates.
Yeah, but apparently, like the dark chocolates that are graded as being good, most times it's like very bitter. Very bitter. It doesn't taste that well. But those are the ones that are, you know, rated as very, you know, high rated. Okay, so dark chocolate.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm. Smooth.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
What do you think?
I think it's good. It's very like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like very creamy for a dark chocolate. It doesn't taste bitter like those other ones.
Yeah. Yeah, this is actually one of the smoothest dark chocolate that I've tasted. Because like, you know, some of those, you know, the boxes that you get with the exotic chocolate.
Yeah.
We have had a few of those boxes and they look so good, and you take out the ones that are very round.
Yeah.
And you take it out of the box and you put it in your mouth and it's just like, like it's very bitter. But this is actually very smooth. So as I said, it looks cheap.
Very cheap. It looked like the frills ones that you would get.
Yeah, it looks like the ones that are like kind of no frills type of thing. Looks cheap, but the taste is actually good. And there's also a milk crunch, and there is a peanut butter, but we're only going to try two because we're going to compare it to the Cadbury chocolate because they're in the same price range, and we're going to see which one is better. If Mr. Beast is a fake or if it's a real deal.
Yay or nay?
Yay or nay. So the Cadbury. So this one is the milk chocolate.
And I had the fruit and the nut.
Fruit and the nut. Like I think I made a mistake by picking up the fruit. I actually picked up two fruit and nuts. I was supposed to pick up the dark chocolate because I wanted to compare the same thing, but we'll still work with that one. So this is the milk chocolate. So we'll get to compare it against the Mr. Beast milk chocolate.
I'm gonna get another milk chocolate
So this one actually, see, it looks a bit thicker,
yeah.
a bit richer than, I don't know, like sometimes they're doing a promotion and they'll make the quality a bit, or make it a bit less. So I don't know if that's what happened to this one, but it's not as rich.
So this is the difference.
Yeah. Let me see, there's actually,
This one says Feastables on it.
well, it's actually not that bad. Yeah, come to think of it, it's not that bad. Okay, so let's try the Cadbury. And Cadbury should be better because Cadbury has been around for for decades, or I don't know if centuries, but they've been around for a long time. So, cheers. Mm. Yeah. Smooth.
That's really good.
What do you think? Do you think it's better?
So far, yeah. I feel like it has like a better taste to it.
Yeah. Yeah, it has a better balance. Like it's smooth and it's rich, and you can feel. It's just you can feel like the quality in the taste.
Yeah.
Is better. Not by like miles, but it is better. Noticeable better. Okay, so we'll try
The fruit and the nut.
this is one of my favorite, like fruits and nuts. It's just that I didn't see any Feastables or Feastables that fruits and nut flavor, but fruits and nuts is actually one of my favorite chocolate. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so Cadbury.
Cheers.
Mm,
That's good.
yeah. There's nothing like chocolate with nuts in it and fruits. Yeah, so again, this one is even better too. As I said, these ones are on promotion for like $3. I don't know if they made the quality like a bit less, or it's just that Cadbury has been around forever. They're like one of the leaders in chocolate, like especially like chocolate for the everyday people. Like they're one of the leaders, so it's obvious that they would have had to be better because Mr. Beast Feastables have just been around for 2 years or so. So in terms of score, what would you score them?
So for Feastables, I'll give them like a 7 out of 10.
7? Okay, that's not bad. Yeah, for me, I would give them a 6 out of 10, which is not bad because they're pretty new. And I think with any new company, like they always try to improve. So you will see them get better as years go by. But 6 is not bad for like a new company. For the Cadbury, what would you?
Probably like a 9.5.
9.5? Okay. I'll give them an 8.5. 8.5. Which is good because for a chocolate that you can get for under $5 to score like 8 or 9 is very good. So yeah, so have you ever had the Feastables, Mr. Beast chocolate? Sound off in the comment section. Tell us what you think about it. We know that there's a lot of products that's out there. There's like the Mr. Beast burger, which seemed to be like a failure. When you hear reports, I've never had it before, but the reports from Undercook or just it's almost like they tried to grow too fast. So there's been a lot of negative feedback with the Mr. Beast burger, but the chocolate seemed to be doing much better than the burgers. So sound off in the comment section. Let me know, have you ever had the Mr. Beast Feastables? What do you think about it? Do you think a 6 or a 5 out of 10 would be like an appropriate rating, and is that good for for a product that is pretty much new to the market? So let us know what you feel in the comment section. Something important that I feel like I have to address is like for us as a family, for me as a dad, like it's very important to educate our kids and even to educate the larger public about where our food is coming from. And one of the things that people might not know is that chocolate is one of the most exploited products. Close to 80% of chocolate, the cocoa beans that make the chocolate, comes from Africa, in particular the Ivory Coast, and Ghana. And in those countries, it's been a lot of exploitation in terms of low wages, people showing up to work, working 7 days a week sometimes and can't even afford to buy the same chocolate that, they are farmers and they're laborers for these companies. And in addition to that, like child labor. So I would just like to say, like, it's very important, like when we're buying stuff like chocolate or whatever we're purchasing for a family, if we can do some research on best practices of these companies and to support the companies, to try our best to support the companies that have people's best interests. They're not just about making profit. And one of the things with Mr. Beast is that Mr. Beast is the type of person that support a lot of products, he support people. Like we've seen in Africa where he went and did like, was it 100 wells? Like in different countries in Africa. And he helped to build school in some of the remote communities like in, I think in Ghana and stuff like that. So, people that are in business that provide reasonable paying jobs and that cater to the community that they're taken from, those are the companies that we'd like to support. So I just felt the need to leave that in this video since we're talking about chocolate. And Mariah?
Make sure to hit that notification bell, subscribe, like this video, and share this video.
If you want to learn more on the history of chocolate and where it comes from, and just like an in-depth history, you might want to watch this video right here. So please take a look at this video if you want to learn more about chocolate. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Peace. I'm out.